And wow, that rice looks really delicious. Anyway, I take my meal prep container and I add the rice according to the weight that I need. Then I put one full chicken leg on top and a sprig of coriander, and my diet biryani is ready. And now I can just heat this in the microwave and eat it every day. I'm going to plate it up, so I serve myself some of that rice, and then I separate the leg and the thigh and add them on top of my plate. But hey guys, enough jibber jabber, it is really time to taste this delicious looking biryani.
Its aroma is good.
Are you missing the spice? No.
No.
Wow.
See, biryani is not about spice. Biryani is about blending the meat, in this case chicken, with the rice and all the other condiments that go to give you this lovely flavor.
So did you enjoy it?
Yes, I could make a meal of it.
I think my dad has given it the horns.